Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to join Digistore24 as an affiliate. Now I'll show you step by step in this video how you can do it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now first of all, head over to a page or a browser just like Google or Safari. And in here, you're going to want to go ahead and type in Digistore24. Now when you do, the Digistore24.com website should appear. Now here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Digistore24. And it's basically going to bring you to the page that they do have here. Now, if you want to become an affiliate with them, you're going to want to head over down here where it says start now. It's free to sign up. Now click that, and when you do, it's going to bring you to the Digistore24 sign up page. Now it should be fairly quick. It's a pretty easy process, but you're going to have to put yourself a public username as well as the email that you do have and the password that you want to use. And once you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and put what your source of revenue is. So you can just basically put your vendor or an affiliate, but since you want to become affiliate with Digistore24, go ahead and choose affiliate. Click the B2B contract, say that you've read it, and then click continue. Now, when you do this, it's basically going to go ahead and send you, or it's basically going to go ahead and confirm your application. And it's basically going to be very simple from there, very straightforward. So once you go ahead and do that, you are now an affiliate with Digistore24. So that being said, that's how you go ahead and become an affiliate. If you found the video helpful, leave a like, subscribe. I will see you all until next time.